Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your mobile deposit limit on Chime. Start by opening the Chime app on your phone and signing in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Move Money tab. This section contains options for transferring and depositing funds. Next, select Deposit a Check. Chime will take you to the mobile deposit section. From there, choose the type of check you want to deposit. As you proceed, your current mobile deposit limit will be displayed on the screen. This limit shows the maximum amount you can deposit through mobile check deposit. In general, Chime allows up to $2,000 per check and up to $10,000 per month. However, these limits can vary depending on your account history and activity, so your personal limit may be different. Checking your deposit limit before submitting a check can help you avoid issues if the check amount exceeds the limit available on your account. That's how you can quickly check your mobile deposit limit on Chime using the app. Thanks for watching.